Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python topic. So today I thought I'd create a program that would serve as a to-do list, and this to-do list will help me keep track of my assignments that I have due within the next week. So since I'm using days of the week, I thought I would create a tuple that would include days of the week. After you create a tuple, it's non-changeable, but that doesn't matter in my case because I'm using days of the week, and I will not be adding on a new day of the week because that doesn't really change. So I'm gonna create my tuple. So I'm gonna call it days of the week, but I'm gonna use an abbreviation for of the week. And to create a tuple, you use parentheses, and then within my parentheses, I'm gonna create my tuple of strings. You can use other data types, but in my case, I'm gonna use strings to serve as the days of the week, or to use the names of the days of the week. So start off with Monday, and then I'm gonna put a colon here because it'll help me basically have a nicer output when I output the assignments I have due for that day, which you'll see shortly. So let me just finish off this by adding days of the week. Hopefully it doesn't get too long, which I'm kind of assuming it might, but let's see. If it gets too long, then I could just use abbreviations. I guess I'll just use abbreviations now I think about it, because this is going to get pretty long. So for Monday, I'm just going to do Mon, and then Tuesday, twos, kind of get the idea. Wednesday, we'll keep it like that. And then we'll have Thursday. And then we do Friday. And then I forgot to add a colon here, so let me do that. We got Friday. And then also we got Saturday. Okay. And then we also have Sunday. Okay, so now we got we got the days of the week here, and they actually so the thing about tuples as well is they're also ordered, so I can actually index, or I can actually get an item out of my tuple based off its index location. And as you probably already know, in Python, your indexing starts at 0, so this would be 0, 2, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so yeah, so next I'm gonna get basically my input for the assignments that I have due for each week. So first things first, I'm just gonna create one for Monday, and then just to speed things up, I'll end up using copy and paste because it's gonna be a little repetitive since it's gonna be doing the same thing for each day of the week. So to begin with, for Monday, I'm gonna get an input. And then I'm going to use an F string here, so I'll put F. Okay, so then I'll put enter, task you want done on. And the reason I'm using an F string because I'm going to show you that you can actually index these. So I'm going to put, So I'm going to put my tuple here, days of the week. And then, like I said, I can index them by using the brackets. So we'll start at 0. So after this, it should basically output to me, enter your task that you want done on. And then so I have days of the week here, and I put a 0. It should put replace that with Monday, or Mon that I have there. So then after that, make sure I have a new line just to make my output look a little cleaner. And then basically I'm going to just repeat this for each day of the week, but then I'll actually change the index. Actually, I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'll just do this. Control C that. Okay, so now I could just continue it on for the rest of the days of the week. So we got that. And then I'll go back and change the index afterwards, but let me just finish this off real quick. We got Wednesday, and then same thing. Control V. Wednesday, Thursday. I'm going to try to keep it consistent with what I got going on over here. So with that being said, let me use 2's here. Okay, so Thursday. Same thing. Control V. We got Friday. Control V. Saturday. Control V. And Sunday. Okay, oh shoot. Okay, so now we got that going on here. And let me change the indexes because sometimes I struggle with the coding. Okay, cool. So now we got that. And let me just output this real quick to show you guys what it's doing before we move on. And I'll just hit enter for each one just to like make it a little easier. So we got tuples.py. Okay, enter task you want done, and this should just ask me for every day. Thursday. As you can see, it actually populates it with Thursday, so that's the way you can actually access a certain item on your your tuple. So let me just go through this. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we got things. Now we got tasks that we can actually use, which I'll end up putting like homework 1 or something like that afterwards. And then afterwards, I want my program to basically output my list or my task list or my to-do list of what needs to be done. So I'll put week, or let me print week. I forgot I was going to use an F string here. So we got weekly to-do list for the just to make things interesting, I'm going to put the 7 days of the week, but I'm going to show you a little trick here. So you can actually use kind of a function here. Not kind of, it is a function. It's called the length function. But let me just put these in here because I've used an F string, so I have to actually put that. So in here I can put length, or not length, but it's LEN, stands for length. And then in here I could actually put my tuple that I created. So I can put days of the week. And then just like that, it should actually output the length of days of the week. And we have 7 items in our tuple. So it should say weekly to-do list for the 7 days of the week. Not wheel, it's week. Okay, awesome. So now we got that. And I don't really have to put a new line here because I'm going to actually put another print statement. Okay, so basically I'm going to print out each task or to-do that I have to do for each day of the week. So I'm only going to do it for Monday, and we'll do the same thing we did here. Copy and paste it again because it's going to be a little repetitive if I were to actually type it all out. So let me put a new print statement here. Oops. So we got a print statement, and we'll put days, oops, sorry about that, of the week, and then let me put bracket here. So I'm going to start with Monday, so I'm going to put an index here, print Monday, and this is exactly why, let me scroll up a little bit. This is kind of why I put these little colons here, because I'm going to basically output the day, and then underneath that, I will actually be able to put the to-do that I need to, that I want done. So first things first, I'm going to print that out. But in a print statement, I can just put a comma here, and then let me put Monday. And what this will do, will output the day of the week, and then it also output what I have to do for Monday. But these have to go together because I'm using the index 0, and that's Monday. So let's do that. And with that being said, I think I could just do Control-Shift. Oops. Control-C that. Okay, cool. And I could just basically repeat this process for the rest of the days of the week. So I'll put Control-V there 7 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then let me just update these indexes. So right here we have 1. Here we have 2. And here we have 3. Here we have 4. Stop counting because it's probably a little annoying. Okay, we've got Monday. Same thing for... And I have to actually use the same variables that I created up here. So I think it was Tuesday that I put. So TU2s. Wednesday I think I just put WED. Did I use Thursday or Thursday? I think I used Friday. And I'll double check the Thursday one just because I don't want to run the program and then get an error when I output it. So we got Saturday, and then we got Sunday. Okay, so basically it's just output the day of the week, and then underneath that it should print out each task that I got from my input. Okay, so now I could save that. And this should run fine. Let me just double check I got Thursday. Double check, make sure I got no errors here because take a little bit of time to debug that, I'd say. So let me do that. Okay, now I could actually run this. Okay, enter home tasks you want done on Monday. So I'm just gonna put something generic like homework. My classes I'm already on homework 7, so I just hit enter on that. On Tuesday, I put none because classes are a little heavy that day, and I actually have nothing to do on Tuesday, so I'm just gonna kind of have that as a none day. Enter tasks that you want done on Wednesday. I wasn't specific on what class I was doing for my homework assignment, but I'll start to get a little more specific. So Mech 340, I have a lab that I wanted to work on. And then Thursday, I have a heat transfer, homework 4. And then on Friday, I wanted to work on my studying for my next exam for Mech 340, which is machine design, mechanical engineering machine design. So study Mech 340, chapters 6 and 7. And then for Saturday and Sunday, I'll put none because I'll just have those days open just in case if like assignment comes up that needs to be done. And then there's that. So after this, I should get an output of my list. And let me just expand this a little bit. And scroll up. Okay, so as you can see here, I should have put a new line, but this is where my output started. So this is my last input that I put. And then I have a weekly to-do list for the 7 days of the week. Because as you can see, I put the length function on my tuple. So that outputted as 7. Weekly to-do for the 7 days of the week. And then as you can see, I have my list of things that I need done. And so yeah, you can... Or I'm going to end up using this to basically keep track of my things that I got going on. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, and I hope you can actually benefit from this yourselves and give this program a try. So, thank you.